fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this video started. A little bit of box action with focus. Come on, box. I don't know why it wants to focus, but I'll let you guys know what this is. This is the Air Force 107 white and black tumbled leather, rolled leather, whichever you like to call it. There's nothing special about it. Just another one of those springtime white on white, in this case white on black Air Forces. I'm just going to try to break up the monotony of the all-white Air Force after getting the Psychic Blue Air Forces. If you checked out my last video, if you haven't, make sure you go and do so. I think they're a good shoe. This is also a good shoe. I just got it because there's not many tumbled leather Air Force Ones. Are starting to come out with more and more now, though. I just like the tumbled leather Air Force Ones. Something a little bit different. Let me get you guys a little bit of light action. Adjust this camera a little bit. Get you guys 360 with the light on. It's a great shoe. As you can see, all tumbled leather. Just a tumbled black Nike leather swoosh. Nothing spectacular. Let me get you guys a little bit of top action. You know, just a Nike Air Force One tab with a normal Nike Air in the shoe. Ever beloved Nike Air on the back of the shoe with the tumbled leather. The quality of this shoe feels outstanding. So if you're going to pick up Air Force One, definitely pick up this Air Force One. Like I said, you might want to stain protect it and put the sole protector in there and do some type of stain treatment for the bottom. This is a crispy, white, icy bottom. You definitely don't want that ever touching the ground. Give you guys one more side silhouette. Also to note, there's no metallic Air Force One lace lock on these, which is pretty weird to me, but it's still okay. Alright guys, let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get on with this next shoe. By the box, you guys already know what it is. Let me see if I can get you some label action. We got small label action. Get you guys a little bit of box. See, you got your little Cactus Jack themed box. Everybody knows what these is. I'll read it off. This is the Air Jordan Retro SP British Khaki Travis Scott sixes. You know what it is. Everybody knows what these shoes are. You get the little Nike dust bag in here, the Jumpman dust bag. Put this aside. Take these out. Everybody was happy or mad that they hit on these. Retail went all over the place, but I think it settled at about 5. My light might be a little off. Sorry guys, we'll get you a little 360 with the light off first, and then get it with the light on. But the color's not off. It's a little bit. Hope YouTube fixes it when it goes on. But to me, this is a pretty decent shoe. I like it better than the olives. Get that gorgeous Nike Air on the back that everybody loves so much. I love this little zipper pocket it has on the side. The suede is a nappy suede. Extremely nappy suede. A lot of people tell me they don't like this colorway. The shoe is ugly. To me, it's a pretty okay shoe, like I said, in hand. I have the olive Cactus Jacks as well. To me, these are better than the original ones. I like the colorway better, and I also like the designs of the shoe. Alright, let me get you guys 360 with the light on. See if we got any 3M, or you guys can spot any glue stains on the shoe. We can see all the parts of the 3M glowing up. See here. People ask me why do I do the shoes with the light on. Tell them that sometimes you have reflective materials on the shoe. You can see special things on the laces. Or you can see if they messed up. Alright, sorry about that, but guys, my camera cut out, but we're back. Like I said, I like this colorway a little bit better. Get you guys one last side silhouette action before I go on. Now I don't know if the shoe is worth $600 or $700, but I guess if you want it, you gotta pay to play for it, I guess. But let's get on with this next shoe. Alright guys, let's get on with this last shoe. Out of the box, you already know what it is. The postman beat up my box a little bit, but it's another Adidas Simpsons collaboration box. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. This is the Forum 84 Lowe's Simpson Duff Beers, aka the black FT whites and reds. Got this shoe to continue the Simpsons collection. I'm not going to miss a Simpsons shoe. Every Simpsons collaboration shoe I will be buying now till the day I die. Plus, this is Adidas Forum, so you guys know that I had to get it. It's okay colorway, in my opinion. It's a pretty good shoe. You can easily make an outfit. My only nitpick with this shoe is that it's patent leather. And I don't know if you guys could notice, but the postman already beat my box up, so my shoe came a little bit scuffed. And I'm going to have to buff out a few scuffs before I wear them, but it's no big deal. It's a shoe. So, any shoe could be fixed, no matter what happens to it, long if you have somebody who knows and wants to do it. Knows how and wants to do it. Let me show you guys. You get the little lace lock Duff beer with the blank Adidas and the Duff, the toe tag. Put these on the inside of the top if I can. I like to get in the way all the time. The shoe is just simply awesome. Like I said, you guys got to definitely start checking out Adidas Forums. They're a great shoe. And like I said, especially with the collaborations. I love Duff beer from the Simpsons, and I love Adidas Forums. So for me, this shoe was a definite purchase. I purchased 2 pairs. One for staring, and one for wearing. And like I said, little lace lock. You also get, it says the Simpsons in the inside of the shoe. I shouldn't have cut the light out, but trust me guys, it says the Simpsons in the inside of the shoe. I'll give you guys another side silhouette. Alright guys, we're going to wrap up this video. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see in the next video. Someone asked me to make an all Simpsons shoe video, so I'm going to get to that pretty soon. I'm having a little bit of pet problems, but I'm going to be taking care of that probably next week, so you guys stay tuned. I got a couple hundred more pairs of shoes in this week, so stay tuned. We're going to be unboxing. I got some graphics cards, so if you guys are interested in video games, make sure you stay tuned. And everybody out there, be safe, get your vaccines, and just take it easy out there. Let's all get ready to enjoy this summer. Everybody fucking